Now let me show you how to make configuration for the room service. Let me explain what is room service. So in a smart hotel, we will have an outdoor doorbell panel to show the service this hotel may have. For example, D&D, clean, check-in, or in some other hotel it will have laundry and so on. And inside the room, we will have a panel to control D&D and the clean. When the guest press the D&D button inside the room, then the LED light of D&D will light up in the doorbell panel to show that this room no need any disturb. And at the same time, this information will be updated to the hotel management software. So this function is not only convenient for the guests, but good for the efficiency of the hotel management side. Now let me show you how to do this configuration. Normally, we have two ways to do this. The first way is you use HDL doorbell panel and the HDL panel. And another way is you use third-party doorbell panel and use HDL panel to control it. Now let me show you the first way. If you use third-party dry contacts doorbell panel, then how can we do the configuration? Let's go back to the programming software. Let's go to the doorbell panel here, the doorbell page here. Okay, so we can see here we'll have an indicator status and the doorbell action triggered by dry contact. It means you have to make the wiring of the dry contact. For example, in our demo cases, dry contact number 4 is connect with D&D, and the dry contact number 5 is for clean. So we have to go to dry contact page. Please make the remark here. For example, this one, D&D, and this one, clean. It is according to the real wiring of my demo case. So when you make this remark, please follow your own wiring plan. Clean. After this, we have to change this to single on and off because we just need to control on and off of D&D. And you may ask me, what is the mechanical switch? Let's say you can see mechanical switch is the switch that have two status. You can see it will have a when on, when off. So it's the old mechanical switch. But this one is our panel, so just have single on and off. After select this, we have to click Save. And then let's go back to doorbell page again. Let's match it. 4 D&D and 5 clean. And then click Save. After this, we must go to here, scroll down, go to here to make the logic. Because let's imagine a situation if you are the guest of the hotel. When you you don't want someone to disturb you, so you press the D&D button in the room and to let the hotel housekeeper know that you don't want anybody to disturb you. So at the same time, the indicator of the clean must be off. Otherwise, it will have a conflict. So you have to make the logic here. You can see if when you click the D&D button on and then the clean button is on, then it will make the housekeeper of the hotel feel confused. So they will like they don't know what exactly you want. So you must make the logic here. So when DND button is on, this one must be off. And when DND button is off, you can make it to be the clean button to be on, or you just if you select none, is don't do any control. If you want to recover to last status, then you recover to last status. Or if you want off, then select off. So you must make the logic here. After this, then click Save. So make sure the indicator doesn't have any conflict here. After we make this, then you may ask me, what should we do to control the DND and the clean? So guys, please pay attention here. We have a lot of universal switch. Each service, our engineer give it a fixed universal switch. For example, clean is universal switch 15, and the DND is universal switch 14. This universal switch is not real switch, just a switch our engineer write to control DND, clean, room number, and so on. So now let's use a panel to control the DND and the clean. Now let's go to device overview page again. Okay, because in here we have two 4-button panel. If we don't know which is which, how can we find it? You just need to right-click the panel and click Locate Device. Then the indicator of the panel will flash and you will know which is which. Okay, now let me use this panel to control DND and clean. Because our panel in the demo case already make the engraving of the remark, so I can know that button number 2 is controlling DND, and the button number 4 is controlling clean, or you can call it MUR. So we just need to make a remark and then select single on and off, because we just want control on and off of DND and clean. After this, we just need to add the target. Click here, add. And because we just need to control universal switch, so ignore this because they are not right. It's not the DND we want. So please go to universal switch page and find. You can see here we'll have DND universal switch number 14. It's from RCU, so click Add On. And let's do the same for MUR universal switch. And clean. And then Add On. And then click Save. Okay, now after we save the data successfully, we can go to the panel to do the test. As I mentioned, we are using third-party dry contacts, so I just use the LED indicator to show the control. Now let me press the button to control. You can see DND. When I press DND, the indicator turn red. And now if I want someone to clean my room, so I can click MUR. You can see turn green, so it shows. But normally you will have the doorbell panel outside the room to display DND clean. But in this demo case, we don't have the position to put the panel, so we just use this one to show casing the control of DND and the clean. So that's the way to make the control.